today's Ford Model A Q&A.
This is Jahrid.
Hi, Jahrid.
Hopefully I'm
I hope
pronouncing
that's
right. So basically he is reaching out on behalf of his grandfather. Is it Raul?
I guess.
Hopefully I'm saying that right.
I'm so sorry, Jahrid.
Jimenez is the last name. That's nice and
Jimenez.
easy. What?
Jimenez. It's a H. The J is pronounced like a H.
Are you sure?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It's like Juan. It's not Juan. It's Juan.
I suppose that's true.
Yeah, it's
I
like
have heard
jalapeno.
Jimenez, though.
It's not jalapeno. It's jalapeno.
He's a member of Alamo A's. Nice.
That's why the song Jump never got any airplay down in Mexico.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Okay.
I'm done.
Anyways, he found a video on Astro Workies YouTube channel.
Oh, that's Adrian's YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Hey, Adrian. Shout out.
Where he mentions modified steering box and housing connecting to the Pitman arm assembly in order to stop oil leaking and improving steering. We were wondering if it would be possible to purchase this part, and if so, how much it would cost, as we have been having problems lately with oil as well as a great deal of steering play when driving.
Oh, I machined that part for him, though. So that I built that sector housing specifically for him, for his box. However, I think you can buy them. You know what? I'm going to consult the Burt's catalog here. Stand by just a moment. I think Burt's Model A Center has them. I don't know. There's a Burt's Model A Center catalog.
Oh, glare, huh?
It's right here. So this is what you want. You want the sector housing with the needle bearings and the seals. There's the part number right there and the Burt's Model A Center catalog right there.
Jahrid, I hope that really helps you and your grandpa.
Hope it helps you out, Jahrid.
Keep those Model A's driving for generations to come.